Hi folks, welcome back again to the channel and to the challenge. Remember I said that we're going to do something with the mushrooms that's out the box, and this is my out the box thought for what we can do with mushrooms. So I am ready to show you exactly where we're going with this. Well, as you know by now, everything that I use has been sanitized already with our no rinse sanitizer, acid base. So it's good to go. And here is our chili that is fermented now for a while, and you get a very strong smell that comes out of here. The first one is garlic, obviously. The rosemary is coming through, and then there's like a hint. The mushroom hint is there, but it's a different type of mushroom hint. So let's just drain off the brine quickly. Get to whizzing this lot so that we can see what it tastes like. But as I promised, there is a little twist to this whole thing, and the twist being I'm going to add some liquid smoke, but I don't want to pour it in. I'm actually going to just give it a little bit of a spritz once it's, so that we don't overdo the smokiness. It will start to spritz, it will be correct. Technical problem. Might just get here. Righto folks, after that little technical issue, it was a little blockage in the pipe. So why I'm only spraying it, because this is like super concentrated, it's like tar, and it's very easy to put a little bit too much in. So the spray bottle method works like a bomb. It gives you just enough, and you can still tweak it a little bit afterwards and add if you still want to. So let's give it a spritz. Wow, it's quite heavy. You just smell it a mile off. Okay, let's blitz it up and see what we get. And add a little bit of brine. Oh, you can smell that the smoke just lifts out. So for those of you who watched our growing mushrooms at home videos, you would remember that I said we were going to make a rosemary, mushroom, garlic, and it's going to be a little bit smoky. So this is the end result of what we started a while back, and yeah, it's looking very interesting indeed. Oh, it's almost like a half a truffle type smell coming out there at the moment. It's quite incredible. Now for the taste test, let's see what it's done. Oh, well, there's a real earthiness here. think it needs a little bit of lemon juice. It's pretty creamy in taste. It just needs a little lift, and I think the lemon juice will be spot on. So let's hit it with some lemon juice. This is a learning curve because I've never made this before, and it was just a wacky idea that I came up with, so excuse us if we keep trying to make it perfect. So I'm not going to go over the top with too much lemon. I'm just going to give it probably just 2 squeezes. Should be enough, and I think it's just going to take that real creaminess away, just to give us the proper taste of the mushroom, because you can taste it, it's in the background, but we just want to lift it a bit Now the earthiness is even more, and no, there's no double dipping, there's the other one. So we're just going to test this one. Wow, nice, fresh, that can work. So let's bottle it. If not, why not? Just while tasting that, I thought of something else to add to our concoction. A little dash of turmeric. I think will lift it, and it will give it a different color. So let's give it just a splash. That'll be enough. Let's give it a whirl. Still no double dipping. Because there's now 3. Oh wow. Now we can bottle. And there we have it.